Hey everyone, this is Gabrielle from TeachingSpecialThinkers.com. This is a product preview of my St. Patrick's Day clothespin tasks. I use these tasks in my classroom at our table time area. I'll show you. I just keep them in bins. I use the labels to go on the front of the bins, and that way I can assign certain tasks to certain students using a schedule, and my TAs are able to locate the tasks quickly and take data on the tasks while the students are completing them. So each task is on this data sheet, and I use one sheet per week, so I get lots of data throughout the month because I use these for an entire month. There's 12 activities focused on basic skills. So we'll go down. These are the labels that I use for the bins. So this is the functional spelling. So I stamp letters on clothespins and put each card into a baggie with the corresponding clothespins, and then the students just take the card and the clothespins out and match them to the word. So it's great for students that are beginning to match letters, and learn some spelling. Also, I included this little strip so there wasn't a blank space, but you can write the words on a clothespin, and then the students have to match the words to the picture. So these are my one-to-one correspondence tasks. I have the students just pin a clothespin on to the coins on the pots, just for some more counting practice and learning that one-to-one correspondence. Another option for these are to just have them blank and have the students count them and then match the rainbow with a corresponding number. For these tasks, they're just matching the clovers, so the students would find a match, clip them together, put them in the bin, and then keep finding matches and then put them in the bin with the clothespins. These base 10 rainbows, the students just match the numbers up, and what I would do is I would glue these pieces onto the clip, and then the students would just match the pots up to the rainbow with the clip. Okay, so here is alphabetical order, so the students are just filling in the missing letter. I cut these into strips on the black lines, and then I glue these pieces onto the clothespins after I laminated them, and the students just clip them right on to the missing shamrocks. For these shape activities, I actually don't use clothespins for this one. I just have the students match the rainbows that show the same shapes to complete the rainbow. So these horseshoe ones, just like the alphabet ones, I cut these into their strips, and then I glue these pieces onto the clothespins, and then the students just match up to the cards. Patterns. So I glue these onto the clothespins and the students match them up. And now, of course, I could just put Velcro on these and the students match them up, but I really like them to do these clothespin activities because it's great for their fine motor practice. For these ones, just labeling a girl and a boy. If a student's not a reader yet, the TA, or if I'm working with a student, I can just say, oh, this one says hair, where's his hair? And the student would have to match. And here's just some clip-its, so they just count and clip. Here's some matching ones. They would match the same picture. Same thing with this. They would clip the picture that is the same. These are some clip and spins, so the students would match the shamrocks. Again, match the shamrocks. This one, you could, back up to this one. You could write the color words on a clip. You could write the beginning sound of the color. You can really use these for a lot of different levels, but just have one of the actual clip task available, and then different sets of clips that would go with the task. For this one, you could have the students match clothespins that have the number of the amount shown, so they were just matching the numeral. You could draw dots on a clothespin, then they would have to count and match. You could do addition problems, subtraction problems, up to you. For these ones, they're just matching the time, so you would write the digital time on the clothespin and they would match it up to the corresponding time. This is time to the hour, and this is time to the half hour. For this one, you could write lowercase ABC clothespins for them to match. They would just be matching letter to letter. You could write uppercase on clothespins, so they'd be matching uppercase to lowercase. You could write words that start with the letter or have pictures that start with the letter, and the students have to match those. This one's one of my favorites because I love rainbows, but the students just sort the picture pieces to complete the rainbow. You could also have students, if you have colored magnets, you can make it into a magnet task. So once again, this is Gabrielle Dixon from TeachingSpecialThinkers.com. This is a preview of my St. Patty's Day clothespin tasks. For more information, you can go to my blog at www.teachingspecialthinkers.com. Thank you.